Hello guys, welcome everyone back to the channel. Right here with Daniel Light, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I was able to claim $100 no deposit bonus. And as you can see right here on the screen, I already started trading. I already placed the order on XAUSD, which is my favorite. And for firstly, leave in the comment section your favorite trading pair and also comment the country where you're watching from. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of videos like this. And as a trader who is actually watching this hoping to claim the no deposit bonus, I would advise you the very first step you need to take is to click on a link which I'll be adding to the comment section, and also I'll pin it to the top, but mainly the link will be added to the description where you'll be able to see more details about this no deposit bonus and the terms and conditions. Now once you click on the link which I'll be adding to the comment section, it should take you directly to the site where you see more details about this bonus. So bringing to your notice, this bonus have been available for some months now, but it wasn't available for Nigerians but for other countries. But right now it's now available for Nigerians, and I was able to claim it and I was able to place order right there immediately. Now, so once you click on the link and you're right here in the site, let's take a look at the details about this bonus. You can see no deposit bonus, which allows you to try out the company services and you'll be able to test your strategy in the market. Now, scrolling down a little bit where you have to proceed with this video, if you scroll down to the bottom right here, you see Google Play Store. You have to download their app. So once you click on it, it takes you to Play Store where you'll be able to download the app. And if you're actually using App Store, it takes you to App Store where you download the app into your device. Now see right here, I'm actually going to do that right now. I'll download the app into my device and proceed with signing up. Alright, I think I'm done with downloading the app, and right here we have to log in and create an account with them. So you have something like this right here. The very first step you need to do is to input an email, which you actually use to verify and log in. So once you input your email, you click on this arrow showing down here, this green arrow. So once you click on it, you can see mine is loading. Now it takes you to this part where you have to input your details. You put in your first name, the country where you're from, your mobile phone number, your email, and okay, we've done the email. You input, you click on the agreement, and once you do all that, you click on the agreement and you scroll down to the bottom. So right here, I'm actually going to select the country. And don't forget, make sure you had your mobile phone number and your email. So after putting all these details, you click on the agreement. As you can see, I just did mine. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see this icon that says continue. You click on it, then it will take you to this next part where you see details like this, which means they've sent a code to your email, and you have to go straight to the email to fetch the code. Input it right here into this line right here that says code. Now immediately you input the code, this side turns all green and you click on continue. Now it takes you to this next part where you have to create a password which you'll be using to log in into the app. Now I'm just doing mine. You can see it. You click, you confirm the password, you create a password and you confirm it. You see I've just been logged in into the app. Now the first thing I'll be doing is to create a MetaTrader 4 account, which is actually, they've helped me fill every details. I just have to click on continue showing down here. Now you see I just clicked on continue and it's loading. So you just have to wait for it to load, for finish loading, and you see the account has been created. And after that, you go back, click on this arrow right here at the top, which will take you to the main menu where you'd have to claim the bonus. Now note this, you won't be able to claim this bonus if you don't verify your details. If you don't submit your document for verification, you will be able to get the bonus. Now you click on the three lines showing up there and you click on bonuses. As you can see it, the third option right here in this option, you click on it. That will bring more options showing on the screen like this. Now you can see no deposit bonus, you see there's a welcome bonus, and you see other sections like that. So once you click on no deposit bonus, you see it brings, the first thing is brought is for you to verify your details. Now once you click on start the procedure, you must have gotten your document ready, which you'll be using for verification, which you see at this point right here. You see verify your details, your identity. Now you click on that aspect and choose one of these three which you want to use to verify. For mine, I'm actually using my national ID card, which I actually placed, and after every verification, you can see photo sent and it will be reviewed soon, which means my documents have been sent. You can see right here, it's waiting for verification. So after some minutes, I got verified after submitting my documents. Now, since I got verified, I'll be showing you how it looks like once you get verified. Firstly, you will get a message in your email, and secondly, you should have something like this once you got verified. See it right here showing on the screen. Now you can now create an account which you want to receive the $100 into. Now you see I've created an account already, so I just input the account into this box, click on the agreement and click on continue. Now if you haven't verified, you won't be able to get to this stage. So immediately you click on continue, I got credited with the $100 no deposit bonus straight into my account. So since I have that in my account already, I just have to get details of the MT4 account and now take it to my MT4 to log in. Now since all that is done, you'll see more details about the terms and conditions in the description. So all you just have to do is to come back to that aspect where you see no deposit bonus. So once you click on it, you see details like this showing on the screen. Now you can see the requirement for withdrawal, which is 30 lot size, the current turnover, which is still 0.0 lot size. I haven't started trading yet. So if you go straight to your email, you should have details of the no deposit bonus account right like this in your email. So you just have to copy the details straight to your MT4 and input the details, the login details, into the aspect where they are needed. You should be having something like this in your MT4. So like I said earlier, I placed trade immediately after logging in the no deposit account into my MT4, and you can see it's live right now. Don't miss it, claim yours and start trading immediately. You just have to meet with 30 lot size and be able to withdraw profit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and also turn on notifications so that you miss out on more updates which I'll be dropping very soon. Have a nice day, guys.